What are you saying, puppy?
Hello, welcome neighbors. Nice to see y'all again. Hope you're all well. I'm laughing at my dog. She's too cute. She's making noises. So today we are making a Greek salad. It is black-eyed peas Greek salad. It's vegan, but you can certainly add protein like chicken to it if you felt like it. So I'm gonna go over the ingredients. Here are the black-eyed peas. Now a lot of times I soak them overnight. If they're dried, then I change the water in the morning and I cook it for about 25 minutes on a low simmer until they're nice and tender. But today we are using a can of them. I don't know the size. I'll put the amount in the description box below. So, to the black-eyed peas, you want to add 1/4 of a cup of red wine vinegar. If you are making this from dried and you're after cooking them and you strain them off, add it to while the beans are nice and warm. It really makes them absorb it nicely. So this is 1/4 of a cup of red wine vinegar into the beans. Then we got a container, 550 mils of grape tomatoes, which I quartered. Right? You can cut them in half, you can quarter them, you decide. Mine were kind of large, so we throw that in there with the black-eyed peas and the red wine vinegar. And we have a bunch of green onions. Okay. You can use chives, you can use green onions, whatever you prefer, or you can leave them out if you really don't want them. But we really like them, so we're putting them in. So I'm just going to save them for some. So in goes the green onions. And here we have a jar of roasted red peppers. So I'm just going to coarsely chop them. There's no right or wrong way to, you can decide how big or small you want your roasted pepper. Just leave that there. Bite sizes, preferably, I guess, for your guess. You're really, this is going to be one of your go-to salads because it's so fast and easy and it's so tasty, which is more important than anything. So we're going to throw that in there. Now here we have some mint leaves. It wouldn't be Greek food without some mint. I'm just going to take the leaves off. And we're going to chop that mint. Oh, that one doesn't look good. Mint bruises, so if you want to add this just before serving, you can. We want it to go all the way through the salad, so we're going to try to get it tiny. You can add some garlic to this too. So in goes our mint. Wow, that smells so good. I'm just going to add a little bit more green onion, just because I have it there. Add some more green onion in there. And here we have, hidden underneath my parsley, is dill, which I took off quite a bit of the longer stem part, so you don't want to. Some nice fresh dill. This is a very nice and light and tasty salad. So my parsley. that in there. And this is some parsley. There's still some dill on there. It doesn't matter. I'll get it. So I want to take some of that parsley off the thicker part of the stem. If you want to just put dill and mint in it, you can. Or if you just want to put the parsley in it, you can. Like, make it your own if you want. But we quite like it this way. Man, these fresh herbs smell so good. Don't they, Case?
Yeah.
Trying to bunch it into a pile. I'm trying to rush. All I'm doing is making a mess. Throw that in there. I'm gonna just wait. I'm just going to get. Just want to mix this a little bit. Now I'm going to make the dressing. Put some salt and pepper on there, and then I'll taste it to see if a little bit more red wine vinegar or is needed or not. A bit of salt, pepper. Woohoo! Okay, dressing. Olive oil. If you can, get cold pressed olive oil because it tastes really good in salads. And you'll see it on the jar. Doesn't matter what brand, you know, it doesn't have to be this one. But cold pressed olive oil. About 1/3 of a cup. More or less. About 1/3 of a cup.
I don't see it.
Right there. Well, my hand's kind of moving it. So that into there. And a few squirts of Dijon mustard. Probably about 2 tablespoons. And I was going to tilt it for you, Casey, but I'm just going to tilt. But I should have put this in a bigger bowl.
I see it.
It'd just be easier for me to emulsify in a bigger bowl. I'll get a smaller whisk. Get the mini whisk. I'm going to throw some pepper in there. A little bit of garlic in there too is nice. Do you want garlic, Case?
It's up to you.
I'll leave that for now.
So you're not gonna pour that on. You're gonna like leave it out, or you're gonna just pour it on.
No, I'll pour it on.
Doesn't like make it soggy after a while.
It's not going to be too bad actually, but because the red wine vinegar is already in there too, and it's not like lettuce in there, and I'm just getting it all over the place. I'm gonna wipe off just into the sink for now. Move this out of my way. Actually, do better when I'm not rushing with the mess wise. Okay, now we're gonna take taste. I'm gonna actually put it in a different. Do you think it'll look better in a different dish?
No.
I think that look.
I think it looks good.
Yeah, I could put it in a pretty dish.
It's up to you, but I don't think so.
For picture wise.
Are you gonna get a bowl of it?
Just thought I'd try it right out of the.
Oh, okay.
Better picture on there. What do you think? Viewers request. Okay, let's have a little tasty poo. Really good. Yeah, so if you don't want to use black-eyed peas, if you have a different bean that you enjoy, feel free to replace it with, you can put black beans in it or kidney beans or, yeah, you decide. But this is how we like it here and thought we'd share it with you. And everyone have a great day. Give it a try, let me know what you think. Oh, it's really, really nice. The dill and the mint go so good together with the tomatoes and that. I honestly think that you and your friends, family, will really enjoy it. So give it a try. Take care, everyone. Have a good heart.
Harrietta,
What do you think of it, Ace?
I didn't try it yet.